The first step is to get your phone and turn it on. Step 2, press the play button and watch the 30-second video. Step 3, you can start getting paid right away, and boom, that's it. If you want to watch one video, you can earn up to $3. But if you watch 20 videos, you can earn about $60. You can earn up to $300 a day if you watch up to 100 videos, which is crazy. Don't worry though, because it's really easy for people who have never made money before. The good news is that you can get this in every country in the world. I'll show you how to sign up and which videos to watch to make the most money in a moment. I'll also give you some tips that will help you make 3 times as much as money. Yes, you heard it correctly. You have 3 times as much money as other people. So pay close attention and watch this video all the way to the end. Hey, welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about how to earn $89 by just watching videos from this new website. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. Now, for instance, there is a video that is 4 minutes long and you can earn $3 by simply watching that video. And on top of that, you can watch a great deal of other videos on this brand new website either on your mobile phone or on your computer. So I need you to give me your undivided attention and make sure that you do not miss any crucial details. First things first, I want you to navigate to this website, which is gg2u.org, and look around a bit. Membership on this website is completely free and you can sign up right away. So you can start earning money right away by simply clicking and taking some surveys, playing some games, or even watching some videos. And now right here on this video, we are going to concentrate on simply watching videos in order to earn money. So this is one of the most basic methods that anyone can do without any prior experience. They're going to give you $1 in bonus money as soon as you sign up for a free account on this website, which is also the best thing about this website. All you have to do is sign up for a free account and they're going to give you $1 in bonus money right away. So all that is required for you is to proceed with entering your first name, your email address, your username, and your password, as well as the country in which you are currently residing. Now there is no need to be concerned because they're basically accepting people from all over the world. It makes no difference if you're from the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, Nigeria, India, the Philippines, or Pakistan. In fact, you could be from any country in the world. With this opportunity, which is available all over the world, you can really make money online. So after you have finished entering all of your information, navigate to the Terms and Conditions page and click on the orange sign up button. If you do this, you will be taken to a page where you can receive $1 absolutely free simply by creating a free account. Another reason why I like this website a lot is that you can receive your payment in many different ways. You have the choice of receiving cash payment every single day, or you can also choose if you want to receive Bitcoin or another form of cryptocurrency, or receive some other free gift cards. After you have completed the registration process on this website, you will be able to see the Welcome to gg2u.org page. So they are a very high-paying source for survey routers. And in addition to that, they have an offer wall on which users can watch videos in exchange for a payout rate of up to 65 or even 85%. They give you $1 for every 100 coins. You will be compensated on this website in the form of coins, and after every 100 coins you earn, you will have the opportunity to convert those coins into real physical cash. And for every 100 coins, you can receive $1 in US currency. Once you have reached $7, which is equivalent to having earned 700 coins, you will be able to start withdrawing your money from the game. So you can start making money as soon as you go to the next page. So if you scroll down below, you can just click on the orange button, and as soon as you do that, you can start making money. There are some easy things to do, and remember that 100 coins equal $1. So for a certain offer, 550 coins is equal to $5.50, and so on. Before I continue, I want to know if you're interested in having a side hustle like this. Let me know in the comment section below. So I want you to go to the very bottom of this website right now. You can see that some of the deals are only good for a short time, so try to take advantage of them as soon as you can. Now, if you want to make extra money, it's very important that you go ahead and finish these offers. You can also make an extra $4 or so for these offers. But if you just want to make money by watching videos, scroll all the way to the bottom of the website and click I'm done with this page. And then you'll go to your account. So after you sign up for a free account on the GG2U website, you can now see on your dashboard that they will give you $1 for free. If you get another $6, you can start cashing out your money. So when you have $7, you can start cashing out your money. Don't forget that you need to make at least $7 before you can cash out. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see that there are a lot of other companies with a lot of different offers you can do. All of these companies are well known and will give you some unique offers you can do to start making money. For example, you could do things like fill out surveys, download apps, watch videos, and so on. You can start making money right away by clicking on any of the companies and doing the offers. So many opportunities are all on one website. So if you want to start making money by watching videos right now, all you have to do is click on the video button and it will start playing videos for you. You can make anywhere from $1 to $3 for each video. So if you scroll down below, you can earn video points by just watching and finishing any of the videos. You can watch videos about food, viral videos, chillax videos, and videos about making money online, among other things on different channels. You can watch as many videos as you want and keep making money every time. So I'm going to show you a few more ways to make money online right now. And as I promised, I'll show you a couple more tips that can help you make 3 times as much money as other people. So right now, when you click on the gear settings, I want you to click on the lower settings, which is 240 pixels. The reason I want you to click on the lowest setting is because if you're watching on your phone or your computer, the best way to make the most money is to click on multiple videos and channels and watch them all the same time, because that can help you make 3 or even 5 times as much money. But it also uses up a lot of your internet speed and data. So if you want to use the lowest settings, it is a very good choice. So this is one of the most important pieces of advice I can give you. So here's a second tip. If you look at the viral videos channel section on the right, you can choose to watch different videos and earn up to $2 or $3 per video. Now make sure you watch all of the videos. Make sure you watch the whole thing from 0 seconds to 4 minutes. Watch the whole thing so that you can get the points and turn them into real money. So I'm going to give you one last bonus tip right now. So when you click on the arrow button, you can see even more videos you can watch. When you click on the arrow button, you can watch 7 more videos. You can watch bonus videos from number 1 all the way to number 7 to make extra money online. You can watch them on your iPhone or Android phone, of course. Now, when you're done watching the first 7 videos, you can just click the next button and see there are 9 more bonus videos you can watch. So you can make a lot of money online if you watch the same videos over and over again. This is a great way to do it. So when you're done watching one channel, you can move on to the next one and watch more other videos. There are so many videos that you can keep watching and making money. So now that you know all this information, are you ready to earn more and watch videos? Well, comment down below so that we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Click subscribe and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, you can just head on over to our channel to see more from MoneyTalk. See you!